Hi, my name's David More. I'm the product manager here at VIQUA. I'm here with Ryan from Aqua Service Niagara. Today we're going to be doing a side-by-side installation of VIQUA's existing product lines, the VH and D4 series, as well as the VIQUA Arros. The VIQUA Arros is designed for a streamlined installation and maintenance process. With that, let's get into it. Mounting your VIQUA Arros system is simplified with the quick mount bracket. The pre-mounted controller saves time and ensures a clean installation. The T-shaped chamber aligns the inlet and outlet ports on a single plane. This reduces the amount of rerouting required, saving time and material. Today, Ryan used copper piping, but it's important to note that the PolyProtect shield on the VIQUA Arros allows the unit to be connected directly to PEX. This eliminates the need for light traps on the inlet and outlet. The all-in-one design of the VIQUA Arros lamp unit is much easier to handle, with no need to interact with a quartz sleeve. The threaded drain plug ensures a clean lamp replacement. Stream technology allows for accurate lamp life measurement, preventing the need for manual reset. The VIQUA Arros display is designed for a simplified experience while providing the user with the necessary information to start up and service their UV system. The startup screen will walk you through 4 basic questions. Select your language between English, French, and Spanish. Select your Arros model. Screen orientation can be configured depending on whether your installation is horizontal or vertical. Register your product using the QR code on the screen. This will allow you to receive lamp replacement reminders via email. The home screen simply displays the remaining lamp life in number of days. If there are any active alarms or lamp reminders, they will be visible on the home screen with troubleshooting instructions. The drop-down menu can be accessed on the top left of the screen. The replacement parts page provides you with part numbers and QR codes, which will direct you to the product pages on the Trojan Technologies website. The info screen will display model selection and other serial number information. The help screen will display any dealer information that has been uploaded to the unit. The settings icon will allow you to select your model, adjust brightness on the controller, or reset the controller completely. The VIQUA Arros allows you to upload dealer contact information, such as dealer name, address, phone number, and website. In order to do so, step 1, select the Wi-Fi symbol in the top right directly after the startup process. Scan the QR code on your mobile device. This will temporarily connect your phone to the Wi-Fi on the unit. Once you're successfully connected, the Wi-Fi symbol on the screen will turn blue. A new QR code will appear on the Aeros display. Scan the QR code and a text box will appear on your mobile device. Enter your dealer contact information on the open text screen on your mobile device, then submit. The dealer contact information will now be displayed on the screen.